This is the new Acer mouse that I picked up from the Amazon team. My existing one was very draggy and it's ready for a change, I think. And I thought this one looks nice. It looks really ergonomic. But let's open it up and see what the quality is like, what you get in the box and how it feels. Okay, nice and simple. This is what we want. In the box, you get warranty card and a little instruction. And you get your device itself. This, I mean, I've got quite big hands, I think. So this feels very comfortable. Oh, it's very comfortable. That's actually surprisingly more comfortable than I expected. You've got your nice rollable there. You've got a couple of side buttons. On the back there, you've got your battery compartment. And I presume that's the Bluetooth donglet. It's a very smart way to keep it in there in case you go traveling and you want to take it with you. And then you've got your on-off switch there, so else you don't waste battery if you don't use it for quite some time. And obviously you've got your sensor there. You've got your two pads. And yeah, another button there, DPI button. This feels, I can actually feel the difference in the way that I'm clutching. I use a small one, I think a Logitech one at the moment. But this one does feel much different. It feels like I've got more of a grip on it and I can feel the difference in my hand. It moves really smoothly. It actually reminds me of the old days when you used to have a ball in there. So that feels really smooth and nice. So yeah, that's what you get in the box. I'm looking forward to it. Looks nice and smooth. And you don't need a driver to be installed. You can just plug and go. It can be used up to 8 meters away from your computer. So if you've got it plugged into your TV, your smart TV, and you want to use a mouse, that's pretty good. And you don't need a mouse mat to use it either, which is very handy. And once it's running low on battery, you'll get a little light flash up. So yeah, looks like a really great little product to invest in. Looking forward to using it.